Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with 3M, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with 3M, it's important to understand what the company does. 3M is a diversified technology company known for its innovative products across various industries. Start by researching 3M's market performance and recent news to understand its current standing. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a brokerage that offers access to stocks and other investment options. Once your account is set up, fund it with the amount you wish to invest. Next, search for 3M's stock ticker, which is MMM. Analyze the stock trends and performance metrics. Look at the company's earnings reports for insights into its financial health. Consider the dividends that 3M pays, as they can provide additional income. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your budget and investment strategy. Place a buy order for 3M shares through your brokerage platform. Monitor your investment regularly to track its performance. Be prepared to adjust your strategy if market conditions change. Consider setting a target price or stop-loss order to manage risk. Stay informed about industry trends and news that could impact 3M's business. Review your overall investment portfolio periodically to ensure diversification. As you gain more experience, you may want to explore additional investment opportunities with 3M. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.